สวัสดีค่ะ Hi everyone, welcome to Kift. Today I'm going to show you how to make mango sticky rice, or in Thai language we call ข้าวเหนียวมะม่วง This food I think is very famous food around the world, so in Thailand also it's easy to make it and it tastes good. So today I'm going to show you how it's easy to make this one. So the first I will show you how to make the coconut sauce to mix with the sticky rice. But first I'm going to show you how to make the sticky rice first. Today we make the sticky rice with the rice cooker. Some people don't know how to make with the rice cooker. So the first I will use 2 cups of the sticky rice and wash it 2 or 3 times like this. And after that just put it in a rice cooker and add some water around 100 ml is enough. After that just put it on the rice cooker and wait till it's cooked. So I want to tell you that you can buy the sticky rice at the Thai shop in your country, because some people ask me where I can buy the sticky rice in my country. You just search for in the Google and finding the Thai shop somewhere near you, or the supermarket also have. And now the rice cooker is already cooked, so I will gonna check the rice. Rice is not clear color. It means rice is not cooked yet. So I will just toss the rice and just keep it rest for 30 minutes. I think it's a good time for just rest the rice. So after that I will just close the rice cooker and keep it warm like that for 30 minutes, and after that you check again the rice will have the clear colors or not. So while waiting for the rice cook, so I'm going to show you how to make the coconut sauce to mix with the sticky rice. So I will use the coconut milk for 300 ml, this brand, and bit of salt and coconut sugar 50 gram. If you don't have the coconut sugar, you can use the brown sugar, is okay. So after that, sugar 190 gram. And then now I will mix all the ingredients together. So I will add the coconut milk first, and after that just some bit of salt and brown sugar and sugar. And after that I will mix well first before I make it hot. So I use the medium heat to simmer the coconut sauce till it's done. How you know it's already ready? You can see the coconut foam like this. That is meat is already cooked. So after that I will put the low heat to simmer it again, and after that just turn off the heat and just rest it around 30 minutes till it's cool down. So while waiting for the coconut sauce to cool down, I will start making the coconut cream. So I will use coconut milk 100 ml and sugar 60 gram and salt 2 gram and rice flour 50 gram. And after this I will mix all the ingredients together. First I add the coconut milk and salt and sugar and rice flour. Just mix well together before to make it hot. And now I put the medium heat to simmer the coconut cream. So just slowly, and after that you can see the foam like this. So you need to put low heat. After you see the foam like this, you need to put the low heat and simmer it around 1 minute. After that you will see the cream look like this. It's meat already done. After 30 minutes, now I'm gonna check the rice. I think now rice already cooked. You can see the rice have the clear color like this. It means it's already cooked. Perfect. Now, time to add the coconut sauce to mix with the sticky rice. Just slowly add the sauce and mix well with the sticky rice. After that, I will rest it around 30 minutes or 1 hour, but if 1 hour is better. After 1 hour, you can see the rice is mixed well with the sauce like this. It means it's ready. So now I'm gonna show you how to cut the mango. You can just slice the mango like normal, like 4-5 pieces, or you can just dice the mango also can. Okay, now I already put the sticky rice that I mixed with the coconut sauce on the plate and just put the sliced mango. After that, I will add the coconut cream, and topping is roasted sesame seed, but you can add whatever you like. Thank you everyone to watching Cook with Kift. If you like our video, please like and subscribe for more easy recipe. So see you next time. Bye bye.